If you're searching for a Python for Everybody review, you're probably wondering if Dr. Chuck's famous Coursera specialization is worth taking. The short answer is yes. It's one of the best beginner Python courses available for anyone with little or no programming experience. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the latest discount on Coursera Plus. Python for Everybody is offered by the University of Michigan and taught by Dr. Charles Russell Severance, better known as Dr. Chuck. Nearly 2 million learners have enrolled, and the specialization has an excellent 4.8 out of 5 rating from more than 280,000 reviews. It's completely beginner-friendly, so you don't need any previous coding experience. You'll start by learning Python basics, including variables, loops, functions, and problem-solving. Then you'll move into data structures, web scraping, APIs, databases, SQL, and data visualization. The final capstone project lets you build your own Python application using the skills you've learned. By the end of the program, you'll know how to write Python programs, collect data from websites, work with databases, analyze information, and visualize results. You'll also earn a shareable career certificate from the University of Michigan that you can add to your LinkedIn profile or resume. If you only want this specialization, paying for it individually may be enough. But if you're planning to learn Python, AI, data science, cybersecurity, or other in-demand skills, buying each course or specialization separately can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from top institutions like the University of Michigan, Google, IBM, Stanford, Microsoft, and many others. Right now, eligible learners can save 40% on the first 3 months of the Coursera Plus monthly plan. The monthly price drops from $59 to $35.40 for 3 consecutive months. It's an excellent deal if you plan to complete multiple programs. If you'd like to explore Python for Everybody or claim the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.